In this video, we are going to learn how we can create this animated button. So let's go back to VS Code. So let's start by creating a button. So I will type input type button and give it a value of button also. And because we are going to add styles for this, so I'm going to also add a class of button for this. Okay, our button has been created. Now let's go in the head and create our style. So in the style, I will type dot button to select this button based on the class, and inside this I will type font size to increase the text. So I will type 16 pixel, then font weight bold, and let's give it a background color of green, text color of white, and let's give it a border radius of 10 pixels so the corners looks good. Now let's go down and create our animation. So to create our animation, I will type key frames and give it a name of bound. Then inside this I will say start from the 0% and transform translate y, and inside this I will type 0. Then after this I will type from 50% transform translate y axis and shift it 10 pixel up. Then when it reaches 100%, again transform translate y axis, shift it back to 0. Okay, it's done. Now let's connect this animation to our button. So for that, in here I will type dot button hover, which means when my mouse is hover this. So in that case, animation bounce, this the name of this, and give it a duration of 0.5 seconds and repeat this infinity alternate. Okay, now let's save. Now let's go to browser. As you guys can see, our button is bouncing. So this is the way we create a bouncing button in HTML, CSS and JavaScript.